Let's go on the record in cause number 2019 CR 12283, the state of Texas versus Saul Valderramas. Attorneys, if you could please make your announcements.
Yes, Your Honor. Raul Jordan for the state of Texas.
Bill Simmons for defense.
Mr. Valderramas, we are here because the state has filed a motion to enter adjudication of guilt and to revoke your community supervision. Do you understand what the state has said that you have failed to comply with?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, have you had a chance to talk to your attorney about the motion to revoke?
Yes.
Okay, and for purposes of the record, Mr. Valderramas is appearing by video conference from the Bexar County Jail. All right, so state, how are we going to proceed on Mr. Valderramas?
Yes, Your Honor. The state is intending to proceed on violation of condition number 2, and that on or about the 22nd day of January 2020 in Bexar County, Texas, the defendant, Saul Valderramas, used marijuana in violation of condition number 2.
To the allegation that you used marijuana February 2020, is that true or not true, Mr. Valderramas?
True.
State?
The state respectfully requests to waive and abandon the remaining allegations, Your Honor.
No objection.
What is the recommendation?
Your Honor, the state is recommending to the court that the state's motion to revoke Mr. Valderramas be denied, that the defendant be continued on community supervision, altering the conditions to include a TAP evaluation and zero tolerance probation. And the state would further request that the defendant not be released until the completion of that TAP evaluation.
Mr. Simmons?
Yes, Judge. And we would ask, given the associated with the COVID pandemic, that he be released pending his TAP evaluation. Do believe that probation said it will be possible for him to do that via Zoom hearing from home. If it may please the court, I would like to ask my client to go on the record right now as saying whether or not they, one, are familiar with Zoom, and two, whether or not they'll be able to access a Zoom hearing from home with their phone or with the computer. If may I ask that of the defendant at this time, Your Honor?
Yes, go ahead.
Mr. Valderramas, do you have access to a smartphone or a computer?
Yes, sir.
Do you have a internet connection?
Yes.
Are you familiar? So would you be able to attend a Zoom hearing for your TAP evaluation? And more importantly, would you recall the admonishments from the court saying that you have to do this? You can't blow it off. And if you do, the warrant will be issued. Do you understand that?
Yes, sir. I can do it.
So, Your Honor, given that that we do believe that he would be able to attend that TAP evaluation via Zoom, and that they would be able to amend those conditions as appropriate, we would ask the court to release Mr. Valderramas pending his TAP evaluation.
Probation, I have a question. I just sentenced him in January. Did I not do a TAP at that time, or did I place him on probation and then ordered a TAP and the TAP wasn't done? This is, less than 6 months. I would imagine the TAP is still valid.
Okay, Judge, it looks like if you sentenced him in January, I believe he stopped reporting in February. So even if you, and I'm checking right now to see if you ordered a TAP, but even if you ordered one, he absconded. TAP no-show on March 6th. It was scheduled for March 6th, and he didn't show up because he had already absconded.
Can we get an officer to do a TAP on him by Zoom before Wednesday of next week?
We can sure ask. And I'll send the director a message right now as I'm doing the modifications.
Okay. This is what I'm going to do. I'm going to go ahead and follow the recommendation. I find that violation of condition number 2 is true. I will deny the state's motion, continue on probation, alter and amend the conditions to include a TAP evaluation. I'm going to hold 0 tolerance and abeyance. But this is the issue. Mr. Valderramas, I'm going to release you. And you're going to get instructions from the probation officer right now on what you have to do to sign your new conditions. I'm going to reschedule you for this hearing. I'm going to reschedule a compliance hearing in 2 weeks. And in 2 weeks, you need to have a phone, have internet, and have Zoom like you already said you do.
Yes,
And I
ma'am.
want you on Zoom, and I want to verify that you have done the TAP evaluation.
Yes, ma'am.
You already no-showed, you already failed to report for February. And so I don't want this type of behavior to continue. And if you don't show up on the Zoom conference that we're going to send to your attorney, and I just need to issue another warrant for your arrest. And then we'll just have this all over again while you're at the jail. You understand?
Yes,
You
ma'am.
understand what I'm asking you to do, Mr. Valderrama? You understand that if you don't show up on Zoom,
Yes,
I'm
ma'am,
going
I
to issue a
do.
warrant for your arrest? Okay. All right, let's do
Yes,
that. Let's
ma'am, I
reset
understand.
2 weeks for reset for 2 weeks for compliance hearing. Mr. Simmons, you will get an invite, and if you could please you want me to send you to a breakout room and you can ask your client where he's going to stay, all that other good stuff. I'll send you, your client, and probation to a breakout room. You will need to give them the contact information, and they're going to give you more instructions. So, Mr. Wright, I'll send you guys to room 5.
Thank you, Judge.
As of right now, oh, I'm sorry, Judge.
Go ahead.